Average versus Pirates.
Nev, come on down. Come on.
Come on, Nev.
Here, kitty.
There's a T-Rex rampaging in the city. Get away from the window.
A T-Rex?
Yes.
Rampaging?
Yes.
In the city?
Yes.
Who says so?
I'm from Robbie. He even sent me a photo.
Whoa. That looks super real.
But it's not a real T-Rex.
It isn't?
Oh, no, it's just a picture someone played with to look real.
I feel silly.
Just because it's on the internet doesn't mean it's real or true.
Well, it looks super real to me.
Hey, Jack, you did totally the right thing. You got worried, so you asked.
Mind you, it is funny. A rampaging T-Rex.
Oh, dear, no.
Today, we are talking about if everything you see, hear and read on the internet is real or even true. That, for example, is not true.
I knew that.
Just because it's on the internet, it doesn't mean it's true.
Yeah, like the average person spends 3 years of their lifetime on the toilet. That's ridiculous.
Actually, that is true.
No way.
Anyway, the point is, if you aren't sure or are worried about something you find online, ask an adult you trust. Stay smart.
Stay safe.
Stay kind.
3 whole years.